Today we are making one of Kathmandu's most loved street breakfast, Aloo Chana Matar with freshly fried puri. If you have ever walked through Indra Chowk early in the morning, you have probably seen the little street stalls serving steaming balls of this comforting potato and peas curry, alongside hot fluffy puris fresh from the oil. Growing up, this was one of my favorite breakfasts, and every spoonful brings back memories of those busy streets, the smell of spices in the air, and people gathering for a quick but satisfying meal before starting the day. The curry is simple but packed with flavor: soft potatoes, black chickpeas, yellow peas, warming whole spices, and a slightly tangy finish from tamarind that makes it incredibly addictive. So let's recreate that classic Kathmandu street food experience at home. We will start by heating some oil and blooming our whole spices to build the base flavor for the curry. Into the pot go cinnamon, bay leaf, green cardamom, cloves, and panchphoron. As soon as they start sizzling and releasing their aroma, you know something delicious is on the way. Next come the shallots, followed by ginger and garlic, creating that beautiful fragrant paste that every good curry needs. Now it's time for the potatoes, turmeric and salt. We will let them soften slightly before adding tomato puree and the ground spices. That gives this curry its rich color and flavor. Once the spices have cooked out, in go the black chickpeas and yellow peas. Followed by stock and a touch of tamarind for that signature tangy finish. As the curry simmers, I like to mash a few of the potatoes into the sauce. This gives the gravy that creamy street style texture while still keeping plenty of potato chunks for bite. To finish, a little garam masala, fresh coriander, and homemade ghee take the flavor to another level. Give everything one final mix and serve it into little balls. Don't forget to top it with freshly chopped green and red chilies, red onion, and fresh coriander. Just look at that, it looks absolutely delicious. Now for the puri. The dough couldn't be simpler. Just flour, salt, ghee, and warm water mixed into a soft dough and rested for a few minutes. Roll them out. Fry them into hot oil and watch them pop up into beautiful pillows. And there it is, crispy, fluffy puri served with rich, spicy, slightly tangy Aloo Chana Matar. For me, this is not just breakfast, it's a taste of Kathmandu and a little piece of home on a plate. So good. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to Pabs Kitchen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.